that talk of strawberry breeding has me thinking about their DNA, and I've got a DNA DIY for you now. Okay, I'm all set up and ready to go. So if you're going to try this at home, you'll need a glass, salt, a funnel, strawberries, detergent, a resealable bag, water, cheesecloth, and rubbing alcohol. First, put the rubbing alcohol in the fridge to chill. In a container, add 1/3 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of detergent and mix. The detergent will help the strawberry cells to pop open and release their DNA, and the salt is what will make those strands of DNA clump together. This is called your extraction fluid, so put it to one side for later. Now put 3 strawberries into the resealable bag. Seal and smush them for around 2 minutes. Now add 3 tablespoons of the extraction solution you prepared earlier, seal and smush it around again for a minute. Put cheesecloth in the funnel over a glass and pour the mixture in to let it drip through. And squeeze any leftover liquid out. Now the rubbing alcohol. Add rubbing alcohol to the top of the strawberry liquid until a clear layer a few centimetres thick forms on top. You should be able to see some stringy white stuff forming. That's the strawberry DNA, which you can extract with a fork. You usually can't see DNA with the naked eye, but all of the alcohol makes that clumped together DNA come out of the solution, so we can see it as this snotty mess. Fun fact, strawberries are great for this experiment because they're octoploid. That means they have 8 copies of their DNA in every cell. Humans, on the other hand, are diploid, meaning we only have 2 copies. You can try this DIY out with other fruits and veggies. If you want to give it a go, then check out our website for all the details.